we were required to provide a video about our services, like a very short, brief video that will tell all the services and all our needs. And that was required by First 5 Marin. And we submitted that video, and I think it helped us a lot to actually show people what we do. And I believe thanks to that video, we have now accomplished, and the First 5 Marin, they have gave us the seed funding to have this center here. We have different offices, different rooms. We have our big lobby for the families when they come to either pick up supplies, or hopefully when we start support groups and the ROSE program, that their kids would be able to be here while their parents are at the, at the groups or classes. We have a nursing room and with a changing table where they can breastfeed, where they can pump. Everything is available to them. Then we have a huge room that currently is used for sorting, but eventually it will become a classroom and a conference room and support groups and many other services that are already in plan, that we are already working on them. Then of course we have our offices for our staff. We have a wonderful little store here that families can just come in. They're usually scheduled, but they can come in, they can walk around and take whatever they need. Everything is, again, free for them. Then we have our diaper room where we store all diapers and wipes and formula to show that kindness and generosity is actually what really, really matters to us, in addition to, giving whatever we can give. First, I just want to thank you, say a big thank you to Desire to Inspire Studios, to Trevor and the entire team. We're having our grand opening and ribbon cutting ceremony on November 7th. And of course, Desire to Inspire Studios will be there with us. So I want to say thank you again for all your support, and we couldn't have done it without you. Thank you.